Hi everybody, my name is Stella Ella, and I'm here today to make some yummy strawberry ice cream with you. Are you ready? Alright, let's go look at these delicious ingredients. First, we're going to need some strawberries. Before we started this video, I took some strawberries and I washed them, and then I cut them up into pieces, and I put some sugar on them and I mashed them up until they became the strawberry mush that we're going to use today. You're also going to need 1 cup of whole milk and a cup of half and half or heavy whipping cream. You will also need half a cup of white sugar, and you will need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and this right here is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and it also has some rosemary and some lemon in it because I think that's going to set off the flavor of the strawberries so well. And we also need some ice cream salt. Look how big and chunky this is. And we will also need some ice right here to put in with the salt to make the ice cream super cold. All right, this is the ice cream machine, and look at this note. Let's read what it says. It says, "To Stella Ella." That's me. Let's open it up and read it. "Dear Stella Ella, I saw this ice cream maker and it made me think of all the times we made ice cream together. Hope you enjoy it. Love, Gigi Ella." That's my great-grandma Ella. She must have stopped by and set this up for us. All right, let's begin. First, you're going to need a canister and a footrest. We're going to place the footrest inside the ice cream machine. And we are going to put the canister right on top of it, just like that. Perfect! Perfect! All right, now let's start adding our ingredients inside our canister. First, we are going to get the cup of whole milk, and we're going to slowly pour it in. Just like that. Nice job. Next, we are going to get the cup of half and half, and we're going to add that to the cup of whole milk. Look at all that yummy cream. Next, we're going to get the white sugar. It's half a cup of white sugar, and we're going to pour this into the milk mixture. Nice job. I'm already super excited. All right, now we're going to add the magic ingredients, the strawberry mush. All righty, here we go. I wonder what color it's going to turn. Ooh. So we've already we put our whole milk in there. We put our half and half in there. We put our sugar in there, and we put our strawberries in there. Now, all we have to add is our vanilla extract. Just like that. And we're also going to add our 1/4 teaspoon of salt mixture right in there. I'm so excited. Okay, so the next step is to add the ice and the salt around the canister. We don't want to get any inside of the ice cream, so we're going to have to be very careful when we do this. I'm going to take a handful of salt first, and I'm going to do a layer all the way around the bottom, just like this. Nice. Now I'm going to add ice all the way around. Got to break up our ice first. All right, This might take a while because you have to do layer upon layer. So we have a layer of salt, and now we're going to do a layer of ice. Now we're going to do another layer of salt and another layer of ice, and we're just going to build it all the way up. What? I just thought of something that we can do to help from the salt and the ice going inside the canister. Look at this lid. I forgot I could add a lid on top, so that way I don't have to be so careful. All right. Okay, now that we have our ice cream machine filled up with ice and salt and all the yummy ingredients inside the canister, I'm going to take the knob off of that handle, and I am going to show you how we're going to mix it up. All right, so after we get the ice cream bucket filled up with our salt and our ice, we're going to take this lid off of the ice cream, and we are going to add the stirrer inside the canister. This is what's going to mix up our ice cream and make it into yummy ice cream. All right, the next step is to add the motor. This thing will turn it all by itself, and all I have to do is wait, which is the hardest part of making ice cream. All right, let's get this set into place. Nice, just like that. We're gonna push this down and lock it in. And now I'm gonna plug this into the outlet. Follow me. Make sure you always have a grown-up to help you plug in stuff. Ready? There we go. All right, now come close and let's turn it on. There we go. Yay! Now in just about 30 minutes, we should have some fresh strawberry ice cream. Oh no, guys, I came back and my ice cream machine was stuck because the ice got too cold. So now I have to use the stick to break it up. I'm just going to take it and smush the ice up. Alright guys, that should do it. Let's turn it back on and see if it keeps turning. Ready? right, welcome back. Are you all ready to check to see if our yummy strawberry ice cream is ready? Turn off that ice cream maker. I'm gonna unlatch it and I'm gonna take the motor off. Ooh, I can already see it. It's so pink, one of my favorite colors. How does it look, guys? Do y'all think it's ready? It smells like strawberries. I can't wait to try it. All right. We're gonna pull out the canister. And I'm gonna take the spinner out. Look at what is inside, guys. This is so exciting. Yummy, yummy. All right. I'm gonna get a bowl and I'm gonna make a big bowl of ice cream. Oh my goodness, guys, this looks so delicious. You can see the strawberries in it. Now, all I have to decide is how many scoops do I want to eat? Well, my favorite number is 3. So I think I'm gonna get 3 scoops. Can you count with me? Ready? 1, 2, and the last one, I'm gonna get a big, big scoop. 3! Wow! Look how delicious this looks with our strawberry chunks in it. I can't wait to try this. All right. It's so cold, but it is so delicious. This is the best strawberry ice cream I've ever had. You have to make sure to give this recipe a try. All right. If you guys liked watching me make some yummy strawberry ice cream, make sure to like my video and subscribe below. Until next time, goodbye.